Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Got a break in the weather. It's been raining all morning. I want to get up here early, but I'm in mid-afternoon, 1ish, no, 2 o'clock nearly. I can see a crane that's got something lifting into the ground. I think I might have an idea what that is. I think it might be that corner span piece getting put in. Well, on the front of it. While I'm on my way over, I want to wish Neil Scouse-Jones and his missus congratulations on the birthday daughter, Neela, who was born on the 29th of June 2023, weighing in at a very healthy £9 13 ounces. So congratulations, guys. The hard work starts now. No. Congratulations. Oh no, that crane isn't for the... Okay. Oh, look. Loads of tractors on the pitch. That can only mean one thing. Is it getting removed? Let's have a look. How green it is where they've been driving on it. It's mad, that. Okay, so yeah, there this is coming up here. Is it? Yeah. It's starting to get removed, isn't it? What's this doing? How green does it look? Right, what are you doing? Wind's picking up a bit as well, so right, what's going on here? Right, he's guiding him in to do something, and he's pushing up the dirt there. So yeah, pitch is getting removed, guys. I can confirm that. And that looks like it's going to be a long job. Weather permitting, I might come back up tonight and have a look at how much they progress, but it's 2 o'clock now. I can't see them getting much further, really. So let's have a look what's going on down here. And that's good, isn't it? With the way they're doing that, the way they're moving it. Well, something new anyway, guys. It's interesting, this. What's that for a bit longer? I don't know, people like seeing stuff like this, so. Yeah, a lot of people said about the white lines, well, that they stood the test of time, didn't they, underneath all that covering. The white lines look still like they'd been laid that day when they took the covers up. Because I know watching my lads play football, I know how fast them white lines fade. Let's see what's going on there. Now it's gone over there. And you've gone to the halfway line. Or they're letting the tractor catch up. Let me just spin it round a touch. People doing a tour there as well, so they're getting the money's worth now. The line stayed there, hasn't it? Well, because nothing's been over it, has it, really? Yeah, that's good, that. I like that. Right, so looks like the pitch will be going down this week. Right, so another point of interest is the front span here, which I've had quite a few people have their opinion on. So they said, why have they taken the covers up but not put this stuff on the span here? Now, there's one there. So I think that's a lift there, innit? I think they're going to use that to do it. It's as simple as that. You can bring it down this little path here, lift it, and the people on it can put the cladding on the front there, on the front of the span. I don't know how they're going to do this one. Suppose it can go down. Yeah, because that's where it's green, that's Astro. So they could drive the lift on our Astro, couldn't they? Just to get that last bit of a cladding in there. I can't see them doing it from the roof and using rope lads. You know, it'd be like abseiling, wouldn't it? So I can't see them doing it that way. Because people said that they might use the rope access to do it, but I can't see it. What are these up to on here? Yeah, so it's stopped raining now, but the winds are going to pick up apparently now the rain stops. So yeah, we're not getting a break with the drone stuff, and it looks like it's going to be a busy week this. So I'm only going to concentrate on the pitch today. Look at it, look. Oh, what a... So I can feel the wind picking up now. I'm not getting any warnings on my screen as yet though, so I'm alright. Yeah, they're throwing them sods in there. It'd be nice to get a piece of the pitch, wouldn't it? But we all saw how hard it was trying to get a seat, so getting a piece of the pitch is just going to be impossible, isn't it? But I will ask. And if I get it, you know what? I'll give it away free. I just want to do a raffle. I think it'd be better to give it away free. So if I do get a piece, I'll give it away on here free. And someone can have it in the garden, whatever. Do you want to do with it? Okay, so yeah, so that was a tour going on there. They are heading towards down to the cop. I think it was a tour anyway. So they're getting a good view of what's going on at ground level. Do you want to do another tour? I don't know. Maybe not just yet. Getting a bit gusty again. So just checking where I am there. Sound. I can hear quite a bit going on the outside as well, but that's, you know what, let me get over there and have a look what that crane's doing. Don't want to get too close to it, even though we're well above it. Can I see anything here? Well, there's not connected to the end there, is there? Obviously something's getting lifted. It's probably steels maybe. I don't know, guys, I don't know. If anyone's got any suggestions, let me know. Yeah, so that's gonna take, I reckon it's gonna take 2 days to get all that up. I'm KC, mate, yeah.
I want a picture, I need some work off you.
Yeah, sounds,
are you live now?
I'm live now, mate, yeah. Give me,
no, go on, you're alright, crack on.
3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, we'll be finished.
Yeah, go,
yeah, yeah, no worries, mate. Yeah, so I'll get a look around the outside and have a look. Because I can see a cherry picker looking in, well, not looking in, but is inside. So I might be able to get something.
I've just come to sort them out because I've seen all this photography on the internet.
Oh yeah,
it's absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah.
So I've come to request a photo of me on one of them blends that you do.
Oh, sound, yeah.
Amazing channel, mate.
Oh, nice one, mate. Cheers, thank you. Yeah, thank you for that, mate. What's your name? Sean. Yeah, nice one, Sean. So little shout to Sean there. He's just saw me, recognised me, and he wants some photography work too. So yeah, I'll have a chat to him once I'm done here. There's the lads in the cherry picker. not a lot going on there at the moment, so I'll leave that to it. Yeah, I can see the drone in the air. So I'll bring it round, I'll have a quick look on the outside. Yeah, there's a little break in the video there, so I was talking to Sean privately. So the forever stones there are looking well. And that's where the other bench will be going in. Someone sent me a picture. I forgot your name. I'll put it on the screen. Okay. But he sent me that. I love where it's all been raining. The artist impression of how it's going to look at the end, and what I was saying about the benches. So there'll be a little picture on the screen now where the benches are going to go. And the benches do look good, and it's a nice place to look, just a little sit and reflect. Right, there's brickies doing brickwork there. So that's coming up again, innit, since I last looked at it. The mix going on the ground there as well. Okay, right guys, I'm going to leave it there. There's quite a bit covered there. Pictures coming up. So I reckon that'll be up by tomorrow evening. I reckon I'll be working on that all day tomorrow as well. So that's the interesting part. We saw the lift inside, that may be putting up the cladding for that front span. And it could easily move across on the Astro section, couldn't it? But it could even move across while they're lifting the grass up as well. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just guessing. But yeah, brickwork going on the Kenny Dalglish side, the stuff going on the cherry picker on the main stand side. I couldn't quite make out what was going on. But yeah, there's quite a bit going on, guys. It's moving along now, and I reckon the pitch start getting laid this week. Right, so I'm going to leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Still trying to get to that 12,000 mark. I'm about 150 off. Liking the video helps other people see my channel. So if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. It's dead easy, just press one button. Comments are always appreciated, like reading them, you know, whether that's, you know, constructive criticism, because I've had quite a lot of that in my last video. I'll touch on that tomorrow. I've got quite a bit to explain. I was going to do it today, but I saw that all the work was going on the pitch and I didn't want to water it down. So yeah, I'll touch on that tomorrow. But I don't mind them. The only thing I don't like is trolls. I've had to block a couple of trolls over the last couple of weeks, which is a bit weird, you know. Hardly had any since starting, then I've had a few over the last couple of weeks. But yeah, they're blocked, so they won't be in there anymore. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everything. Little bit of criticism I've received. I'll touch on that tomorrow. Okay, it's not a major. I just need to explain myself. That's all. Right, so I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll speak to you all soon. Look after yourselves. Bye now.